I was recently contacted by Fleximount to review one of their overhead storage rack systems. One of the major problems with home and garage gyms in general is a lack of space available. Most people only have a 1 or 2 car garage, which is where a lot of you tend to store boxes as well as other items. This makes it hard to save space for a power rack, dumbbells, plates, benches, and all the other garage gym essentials you might have. The solution? Create space by storing things overhead where you won't trip over them like I do. Seriously, I tripped like a dozen times yesterday while training. I didn't die though, which is always nice. That's why the Fleximount system is so awesome and helped fix one of my main problems I had in my gym. Let's check it out. Some of the major benefits to the Fleximount storage system is that it's made of 13 gauge cold rolled steel, which supports up to 600 pounds. It also has ceiling brackets which are designed to be attached to 2 joists, which makes them more flexible and secure compared to other brands. It's also height adjustable from 22 to 40 inches depending on how much space you need in your garage gym. If you don't have access to a socket wrench, I highly recommend you get one before buying, as you only receive a 4x4mm hex key, which is used along with the socket wrench that's included here. As you can see, it's a huge pain to use, and I had to create a makeshift version with the longer handle to get enough torque to tighten it down adequately. Make sure to think ahead before purchasing this, or you'll have to tighten everything down at a much slower pace like I did. Don't be like me. Get a socket wrench and save yourself the trouble. Other than that, there aren't any real negatives about the Fleximount storage system. Obviously, this unit was sent to me. If I had bought it for myself, I would have measured the ceiling in my garage to make sure I purchased the right size. This isn't really a negative about the product itself, just an oversight on my part. Make sure you measure out your ceiling beforehand to ensure you can actually install it in your garage. Between the lights orientation of my garage, the 4x8 construction of the Fleximount rack, and whoever the hell built the ceiling in my garage, I had a hard time setting this up. Make sure to measure everything twice and make sure you can fit the model you want into your overhead space. You'll thank me later. The great thing though is even though this is a 4x8 rack, you can still set it up as a 4x4 as shown in my assembly. I tested it by stacking a bunch of extra doors I had lying around. Don't ask. Then I threw a couple of heavy book boxes on top and it didn't even budge. So for most people, I'm gonna recommend this to pretty much anybody that's looking to declutter and organize their garage gym, or just your garage in general. I'm actually a huge fan of what they've created and appreciate them thinking of me to send a model to review and share with all of you. Thanks for checking out my review of the Fleximounts 4x8 overhead rack system. You can check out Fleximount at the links below and receive $15 off on any orders of $150 or more. Also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. You can also go to DanteRegulaRStrength.com for more free content, sign up for special offers, and join my mailing list to get even more value for free. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.